Hello, hello! Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video we're going to go ahead and patch a shredded seam just using a regular adhesive here rather than using a seam iron to patch it in, so you DIY types can see how to do it and you can handle it on your own. So we have an indoor-outdoor carpet here, all torn up at the seam. We have some of the matching carpet here, so I'm going to cut a big section off of this to go ahead and use for the fill of repair. So we're going to get this, so we have our piece ready to rock. I want to use a fresh blade to cut out the damaged area. Change the blade of my knife, find a row. I'm just going to try and keep it in between the fibers the best I can. This is just a little trap house type joint in Cleveland, Ohio. So we're just polishing it up so we can get another round of tenants in for the landlord. And then probably after that batch of tenants, they'll do a full replacement on the property. So they're just trying to spread their dollars a little bit more. So the damaged section is out. I'm going to take our fill piece here. Get a fresh blade again. And that's key on these indoor-outdoor carpets. You want to be changing the blade as much as possible because you won't get all these little fuzzies and loose fibers that are just going to run again and create a bigger mess. This one. This side lined up, this is nice and tight, we're looking good here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to double cut through both of these. Since the rows aren't looking super straight on this. Got that so far, and change the blade again, which is absolutely worth doing. Don't shortcut that at all. And for you helpers out there that are looking to start your own carpet business, keep an eye on how long this actually takes me, because this is what you would call a minimum stop repair charge. And these pay $75 per stop in my neck of the woods. You might be able to get more in your area. So if you're looking for a nice side hustle and you can do 2 or 3 of these after work and replace your income as a helper, you may want to start marketing this. Nice, boom, boom. And boom. All right. So the damaged section is out. I'm just going to use the typical AC44 that I use. There's a lot of other adhesives you can turn to, but this one definitely does the trick for us. Now I'm just going to do a little bead right around the perimeter, so when I drop the piece in, it's going to seal these edges together for me, and I don't have to worry about any of these fibers running and creating the mess we had just seen. Just go around the perimeter here. And it is cold weather season back here in Cleveland. There's no heat on at the house at the moment, so this glue is running slow. Alright, perimeter's good. I'll throw one down the middle. Just to secure it a little more. And we're good. So next, I'm going to take a piece, get a little bit pliable, drop it into place here. Speaking of which, you've seen all the tools that I needed for this, right? Just a lot of blades and some adhesive. That's it. And this one is not going to be the prettiest initially, reason being we have two different tile-like carpets we're using, and there's a lot of wear to the existing carpet. Like I said, the main goal of this was just to eliminate the exposed frayed seam, fill it in, and that way they can get another tenant out of this property and keep their cash flow going. And tuck that loop back in so that doesn't run. So it's in the adhesive there. Take the tractor to it, blend it in just a little bit. There you go. Super basic repair, $75 to the installers, or for you DIY types, landlords, property owners. That's all you have to do to patch your carpet, get a little more life out of it, keep your cash flow up, and then replace when you're actually ready. So, for more tips and tricks on the flooring industry, be sure to comment below, tap that subscribe button, and get in on the DIY Toolkit giveaway. Stop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. Link is below the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.